Are you Christian or Muslim?
Are you Muslim?
I am Muslim.
I put
Yeah,
I put
I am Muslim.
Muslim. Uh,
Yes, I can't speak.
Islam.
Yeah. Islam.
Malaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. You can say
Islam.
walaikum assalam. So can you say assalamu alaikum?
Assalamualaikum.
Oh, that's good. Very nice.
But how it possible?
জানি না বড় মালিক। যাই হোক,
You can do it
Oh,
everything.
thank you very much.
Yeah, of course. And you can speak English.
Wow.
You can speak English very well. And I think you less English. You know less English.
Yes,
Yeah, I know.
I know. Listening you talking, I know.
Yeah,
Little bit.
yeah, yeah. I know. And listen to me. Are you married or are you single or married? If you don't mind, may I know? Are you married or single?
I'm married.
Oh,
Babe.
this is your husband, right?
I like.
Oh,
I love
oh.
my babe.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got it. Your husband. You love him.
My baby.
No. You love him, right?
Yes, I love his
Yeah.
life.
Tell me, say something.
You are. Oh, sorry. Where you come from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
কথা কি ক্লিয়ার না ভেজাল আছে?
Bangladesh.
Yeah, you don't know my country, but I know your country. You don't know my country.
You so cute.
Yo. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
So cute. You look so cute.
Yeah. And you.
You smile. Smile. You look so cute.
Okay, nice to meet you. Right now, I have to go right now because everyone.
Okay.
Okay.
You too.
Okay, you can say Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye. I love you. I
Okay.
love you.